Welcome to Hvar Island. We came to this island through a ferry from Split City in Croatia, and we took an apartment through Airbnb with a local, and the apartment was situated on the hilltop. So now we are heading down towards the port, from where we'll take our speedboat to go to Blue Cave. As you can see, there are a lot of olive trees on this island, and there were also lots of pomegranate trees. Now from down here you can see the seashore. So this is the seashore, and now we are walking towards the port, from where we'll take our speedboat. The port is also the same place from where we got down off our ferry, and you'll see that this road from where we came down, and on the right side is the road that takes you to the beach. The beach in Hvar Island is a pebble beach, and it's mostly rocky. It's not a sand beach. So you have to make sure that you have your good shoes to go to the beach. And on the left you see that there are boats and jet skis. And if you are interested in taking a speedboat for 2 or 4 people and drive it yourself, you can rent it out here. And if you want to do jet ski, then you can rent a jet ski over here. As you can see, the water is very clear, blue, and it's really a good sight to see. You can also see that there are a lot of tourists on mountain bikes. You can rent mountain bikes if you are interested in cycling, or you can even rent bike as a mode of transport, as on this island the taxis are very expensive, and so if you can take a mountain bike or a scooter for rent, it will be really helpful to commute. And if you're not interested in biking, you can sit down on the seashore and enjoy the beautiful view of the blue sea. So this is the place from where we got down off our ferry, and here we are now heading towards the main city, main Hvar. It's not a city, but the main commercial area of Hvar Island. So this is the area that is close to the port, and here is where you find all the restaurants and the hotels and the resorts and banks and foreign exchanges and tourist operators. So this is the main region for commerce, or the main commercial area of the island. On the left you see there are boats. So here is where we'll take our boat to go to Blue Cave. On the right you see there are restaurants and the ticket offices for ferry. So if you want to catch a ferry to go back to Split, you have to come here and buy a ticket for the ferry. This is the place where you take your boat. And this is the whole area to walk. You'll not find any cars here because this is a no car zone. So you only have to walk or take a bike. So we are now in the speedboat leaving Hvar Island, and heading towards uh, different destinations. And I'll take you directly to the Blue Cave video from here. So this is a very small boat. From speedboat we have to get down and purchase a ticket that was around 30 kuna, the Croatian currency, and from this small boat we'll enter into the Blue Cave. So you have to make sure that your heads are down so that you don't hit the cave or any of the rocks. And now we are inside the Blue Cave. You can see the blue light coming from the water. And now we go inside. So the reason the Blue Cave is blue is because the sand is white, and when the sun rays falls into the water, the white sand reflects the light in blue color, and the color of the light, the blue light, changes with the position of the sun. So in the morning, if you enter the Blue Cave, the blue color will be light blue, and in the afternoon the blue color will be dark blue. I'll just show you by putting my hand in the water how the light is reflecting on my hand. When I take the water out from my hand, I don't see any colored water, but when my hand is inside the water, I can see the blue reflection on my hands. So there are two ways to enter Blue Cave. One was the entrance from where we entered, and this is another entrance. This is actually the natural entrance, and the entrance from which we came was a man-made entrance. And the second entrance is right here, and all you have to do is you have to dive down 1 meter and cross cross through the rocks 3 meters length, and you'll be out. And in the 18th century, fishermen came and saw that there is this blue light coming from inside, and so they swam inside and saw this Blue Cave. So that's how they discovered it. And then a famous Croatian artist, he used dynamites to make another entrance for people to come and see this place. So this is how beautiful the Blue Cave is. See the blue light reflecting from the water, reflecting the lights onto the cave. This is the Blue Cave, the very wonders of the world of nature. I do not want to speak much and let you see for yourself, because the words don't describe the beauty of this cave. And here on top in the cave you see that there is a heart shape. That's natural. And so I end my video with this, and I hope that you like this video. And if you have any comments, please comment and share it with your friends, and please do subscribe to our channel. So please encourage us so that we can make more such videos for you in the future. And thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.